Hey, what up, y'all? Alright, it's Whatever TV. I'm going to be doing a cooking video for y'all today. This is actually episode number 1. I'm going to be cooking some garlic shrimp scampi. The ingredients today are going to be olive oil. We got butter, garlic, lemon juice, raw shrimp, salt and pepper, parsley, onion. That's optional. I do a little bit of red onion. And wine too, some cooking wine, that's optional as well. I'm not going to be doing the wine today, but everything else I will be doing. Alright, let's get to it. Set y'all up here. Now me, whenever I'm doing garlic shrimp scampi, I've already got about 9 cloves of garlic. I've got about 21 raw shrimp, 20, something like that. So to me, I love garlic, fresh garlic, so I've got me already a few cloves already chopped up. Just gonna chop up this last one real quick. I like to get them nice and minced, real fine, you know. Oh yeah. Alright, got a little bit of red onion right here. Get that nice and minced up. I've got my parsley. Let's get that minced up. Well, not minced, but chopped. Make sure not to cut yourself. Now my raw shrimp, it was frozen, so of course you gotta thaw it out. I just put it in lukewarm water, and then after that, I just thaw it out, I just dry it. I've got my shrimp right there. I can actually take this paper towel out of here. Got it nice and dried up. It's still a little wet, but Alright, put this parsley back in the fridge here. Alright, that can go in the trash. Alright, I've got everything chopped up how I need to have it chopped. Alright, I'm going to get to the cooking station, and then we'll be right back. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we're back. About to get to cooking. Here we go. So I got myself about a medium pan here. I'm going to start my heat up. I'm going to go about a medium heat right now. Get your EVOO in there, extra virgin olive oil. Your butter. Alright, just got our butter put in. Now that oil and that butter, you want to let that, cook down for probably about a minute. Now your prep time for this, it's only going to be about 10 minutes, and then the cook time is 10 minutes as well. It's real quick. And at the same time you're doing this, you could even make some angel hair pasta or something. You know, if you want to do a fettuccine Alfredo or something like that, you can do that as well. And this right here will help to be some of the sauce, and it'll be delicious. Alright, so I'm going to let that cook down a little bit. I'm going to add my garlic. You want to do the same thing with that. Let that get cooked. Stir it around a little bit for about a minute. Don't let that garlic get browned up though. You want to kind of keep that moving at a medium heat. There we go. Add some of my lemon juice. Actually, I'm going to add all of it. And that's just one lemon, one squeezed lemon, fresh lemon juice. Keep that going a little bit. Turn up a little bit of that background music. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and add my shrimp. Now I haven't peeled the tails off these. I like to keep mine on, but you can take those off prior to. And you want to get it deveined as well. I mean, you can get them veined if you want, but pour those in there. Make sure those all sit flat against the pan. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We are cooking. Get that garlic in there. Stir it up in there. There we go. Now shrimp, it only takes about 5 minutes to cook. Anything more than that, it'll probably be rubbery. Once it's pink, it's pretty much done. I'm going to add some pepper. I'm going to add some salt. Like I said, this red onion, that's optional. But I like my onions, so I'm going to put some of that in there, incorporate that in there, you know. Alright. I'm going to start flipping these. This is hot, so be careful. Alright, got those all flipped. Sitting nice against the pan. I'm going to add my red onion. Oh yeah, it's coming together. I'll lower my heat a little bit. Add a little bit of that parsley. Oh yeah, that's coming together. All right, about to get plated up. It's pink. It's done. We've been cooking for about 5 minutes now. Oh yeah. Turn that heat off. All right. We're about to go to the plate station. Be right back. Stay tuned. All right, we're back here at the plating station. Here we go. I'm just gonna slide this onto my plate here. Look at that. Still got some of that garlic and that juice. Want to get that all on there. Now this is a non-stick pan, just for anybody that's wanting to know. All right. Now for presentation, want to put a little bit of that parsley on there, a little more. Oh yeah, look at that. There we go. And that's that, y'all. Look at that. Get a look at that right there. That's what I call a meal. Alright, y'all. That's my first episode. I hope y'all liked it. Garlic shrimp scampi. Please like and subscribe. Maybe even turn on your notifications. And I'll definitely be bringing another cooking video to y'all real soon. Alright, man. I appreciate y'all for watching. Love y'all. It's Whatever TV. I'm signing out. Peace.